The cheeky monsters in my house love to hide away. Then when I least expect it, surprise! They're here to play. Cheeky Monster Violet is the leader of the gang. If ever I am stuck, she knows exactly what to plan. Stretch up high and shake it out, she says. Now deep breath in. A little dance will sort you out. You try. It's time to spin. So one day, when I couldn't find a single thing to do, Violet said, just close your eyes. Imagine something new. The lights flashed on. I looked around, and what a sight to see. There was Violet Superstar waving down at me. Violet said, we'll need some help for this spectacular show. She waved her wand and... wow! More friends jumped out to say hello. I'm Rocky. Drago. My name's Spike. Glitter's here to play. Now tell me, Glitter said, what costume would you like today? Violet taught us all the steps. Check out this cool dance move. Some were really tricky, but we each found our own groove. Then for the grand finale, Violet said, now sing along. Let's make some noise together. It's the Cheeky Monster song. With Rocky on drums, boom, bang. Glitter on bass, durnt. Go Drago on guitar, twang. Spike rocked the tambourine, jingle jangle. Alongside Violet Superstar. What fun we'd had! But then I saw the great big mess we made. I thought I'd be in trouble, but the cheeky monsters stayed. In no time we had tidied up, and it was time to go. I hope they'll come back very soon to do another show.
We're all Cheeky Monsters!
Thanks for watching, Cheeky Monsters. If you want to hear some more cheeky stories, then check out our page and click subscribe.